So as I showed you in the last video, we can continue following some of the steps in the tutorial to continue building what you need for this project. A couple things that I just want to point out. In the last video, you'll notice that I never actually changed the name of Sandwiches app. And it doesn't actually matter what we call it down here, because when in the playground page, we're setting the live view to whatever that struct is called. So we can switch this to robot app, but then we also need to update this at the bottom to match that name. So let's do that. Okay, so the next requirement in this project is to add all of this into a navigation view, which is not too hard to do. We can take the list that we created in the last video and just embed it within a navigation view by typing it in. And then copying and pasting the entire list inside of it. So when we run the code, we're going to now see that we have the navigation view. And the next step is to actually add in a destination for what we get when we select one of the items in the list. So to do that, inside of the list, right here, I'm going to place a navigation link. Let's capitalize that N. And make the destination a text element, and let's make, just as was done in the tutorial, the destination to be the robot dot name. Right now. All right, seems happy. There we go. And so now, as I click through, it seems to be working. So this again is the next step in the tutorial, and you can continue moving forward in the same way to meet the rest of the requirements.